Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to change up the front of our 2012 Raptor to make it see a whole lot better at night and give it a modern touch. The factory headlights on our 2012 F-150 Raptor barely get the job done, and they can certainly use an upgrade. So today we're going to be installing these black housing projector headlights with LED daytime running lights. These headlights are a great idea if you really want to change the front of your Raptor to make it look more modern and aggressive. These headlights feature black housings with projectors that work with your OEM bulbs and LED daytime running lights protected by a clear lens. They're going to directly replace the factory headlights and come fitted with all the bulbs and wiring you need for an easy plug-and-play install. So today we're going to install them in our 2012 F-150 Raptor. These headlights are pretty simple to install. The first thing you need to do is obviously pop the hood and then remove this clip right here. A lot of times this screw strips out, so you just need to remove it with a panel removable tool. Just like that. There's three 10mm bolts that secure the headlight, two up top and one right here. Once you get the three bolts out, the headlight just simply pops off. These are the tabs that were holding it in place. Unplug all three connectors. You're actually only going to use two of the three factory connectors on your new headlight. And this smaller connector will not be used. Line up the headlight with the factory tabs and install it just like you removed the factory one. Install the three factory bolts. Reinstall the rubber shield and clip. Then repeat the process on the other side and you're done. So this is a side-by-side comparison of our new projector headlight and the factory reflector headlight. We have on the left the projector headlight, and as you can see, it's got a nice crisp cutoff, and it's a lot brighter too. And if you want to take full advantage of these projectors, you can even install LED bulbs, which we have available here at cjponyparts.com. Okay, we got our projector headlights installed onto our Raptor, and it's looking so much better. The LED daytime running light really gives it a nice modern touch. Installation was super easy too. It should only take you about 30 to 45 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.